All right, I got this bag secured now. I didn't like the idea of securing it to this, one of these straps that could come undone. I trust the weld a little better than that. So what I did is I put it on there, and it's normally like this. And if the wind or it gets a little tough, it'll pull, but it ain't going nowhere. I got attached with the 550 cord to the metal and zipped it onto there. I think the only way that's coming off is God wants it to be lost, so that's it. Anyway, it's just 550 cord, got it on a roll. Pretty much tied it in a knot like this. Like that. And looped it around here. And zipped it on. Alright, that's it.